Thank you, sir. Mr. Chairman, sir, the president of the coalition, and other leaders and elders present here. I want to first of all thank you for putting this gathering together. The normal coalition Ipolo, you will not hear me say PDP here, not because we don't have PDP. I have the flag, I have the logo here, but because I've come to realize that I'm speaking to some people and not just my political party, the PDP. I know we have the PDP and the APC, some ABGA, or other political party members present in this hall today. But let me thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak to my Eastern people. The marginalization of Eastern land did not just start today. I'll tell you a story. In 2010, they wanted to share Eastern into the other two senatorial districts, if you remember, when the delineation by INEC came up in 2010. But some of our leaders, including Honorable Friday Tula, Ubeshia, and our foremost leader, national leader, Chief Tony Aneni, said no. And at the end of the day, that process did not go through. That's why you still have today the Edo Central Senatorial District are dominated by Eastern people. Mama Viva. One way, I'll be talking both in Lisan and in English. One way, I'll render some song. On the loan, we are going to Kaiho. Maybe by I want you to take it home and reflect on those things. So that we are so awesome that we get the ferry. See, Badan be down with sign. So it's Yanni. Obakitia, okay, to wet high. On Friday, 2 night, a moment, or Mama Tai, or your honor is on so they jai, or we mount Gura. I Wesa, Bonaki Nania. Yes, I reyoige. I thank Bomoneg the Mele, Ukobo, or last night. Or a back in on my yena, or without here. I go get a Benobo, Olulu, have your phone on care. I go get a Benobo, Olulu, have your phone on care. Yes, I'm an Agbe, yes, I'm an Amo, Olulu, have your phone, okay. Show me that toner. On a toner, we are the second largest, most populated nation, the Eastern nation in Edo State. Outside the Edo South Senatorial District, you come to the Eastern nation. The Afema, you have the O1 East and the O1 West, and even the Akoko Edo and the Esako. But when you talk of the Eastern nation, outside the Edo South Senatorial District, we are supposed to be number 2. But over time, the Eastern nation have been relegated by these other 2 ethnic groups. And the PDP, my great party, is saying no to that. One way I say, the show me that toner. Ayo obio bi I show ten, don't Canada. I'll give you an example. Ramude, my year with federal government, just in 2015. I'll read a letter to you as written by the Comrade Governor of Edo State and sent to the federal government. Ebe show me that panitani, obio the I show ten, don't Canada. Right, Ekmagenania, Mawoye, Moria, so we showed him our that the Maweda Mikanaba Narenion on Wele, I'll read this letter to you and I'll leave some copies with you. I've done it in several places. I've challenged the comrade governor to refute this letter. This letter was written on the 24th of November 2015 and it was received by the Secretary to the Federal Government on the 30th of November. And I will just read 3 paragraphs to you. Paragraph 1. I wish to convey my compliment and draw your attention to the advertisement in the Punch newspaper of 11th November 2015 by the Ecological Fund Office inviting contractors for pre-qualification for the award of contract for erosion and flood control project at Ibore and Ohene in Uromi, all in Edo State, labeled as Lot 7 and Lot 8. This letter was written on the 24th of November. Second paragraph. The Secretary to the Government of the Federation may wish to be informed that this advertisement came to me as a surprise, as no one sought the concurrence of the Edo State Government on which of our priority gully erosion sites that require immediate attention of the federal government. But it or the important or your priority project. Paragraph 5. No mama buy no mama buy something. It will be highly appreciated or a mama if the Secretary to the Government of the Federation direct the stoppage of the bidding process for these sites in Edo State as they were not brought to the attention of the Edo State Government for scrutiny. I do you want to kill the federal government on the 24th of November. I was in the Agbesa. Paragraph 7. Please accept the renewed assurance of my highest esteem, Adams Adio Oshomole, MNI, the Governor of Edo State. Yes, this is the time for politics, but this is also the time to tell ourselves the truth. We were in a meeting in this Rome, precisely, and an APC member got up and said, APC mama but back APC and one another position that is as big or bigger than deputy governor, the at Tamale no don't vote for APC. But I can when commissioner data, you have a Zobo, they know that way a baby over. Ebesho me that turn around where Oya Ruge Oya or memoria. Oh ya no Ruge na. Vaopa, he never redana, he never reason, Vaopa Sabokiole. Rande Medageba, you might think you are about 500 or 400. But to me, as a politician, I know that you are more than 15,000. Because I know by the time you get 5, 10 to yourself, I know you have wives, you have children who are voting age. Take this gospel back home. Only so no now so sana. One way wo wa ki odo yan na me. Idelogo me o yakona idelogo me o yaruge o idelogo. Mawe will be son. Bishop Medatona. I your Mabapu said, Gay my way back in. Yes, and nation really cannot alter any political process in Edo State. That was why the APC took the decision they took. If they believe that we have the number, we have the strength, and we have the capacity to determine who becomes the next governor of Edo State, I'm pretty sure they would have done the different thing entirely. Are we Isako we Eminafo or Edolufo or Reni Isako? All the Mauki Yewo. I don't know where I want to. If it were possible for Adams Ali Oshomole to have a preach from Irekbe to Iyamo, he would have done that. You all know that our university, the only university, the first state university in the whole of this country, Nigeria, Ambrose Ali University, is almost dead. Just last week here, we lost about 7 courses, including architecture. all because the state government refused to fund the university. Instead of the Abrosani University, in less than 3 months, a brand new university costing the state government over 43 billion was cited in Eyamo. Might be one Baluye. Now they is something. But back, you know, I've come to you as my brother in Benin because I know that we'll have the numbers. There are some streets in Benin, you go from first house to the last house, it's occupied by some people. But I want to plead with you. In politics, if you have 10 professors lining up behind a candidate and 30 farmers lining up behind another candidate, it is the one with the 30 farmers that will be declared the winner of that election. So I want to appeal to you as my brothers and my sisters. I know you will go back home to assist me to talk to our brothers and sisters. Even beyond that, speak to other nations, the African nation, the Edosa people. Around there, Jordan Dasuno. When Upugan and Refuki, Ireya, I was so much away with it. I can't read that bad. But we are go. Ebe shome that ona. Bayo rome vedananya. Any one they don't ananya o mono go Jimmy. I might be there of when they are momo. Over a rope in the bomb, oite. What a sigo, oite. But I want to appeal to you. Kion no semelena. Bawe and you go, right up with the barren. One moment go home in a momo. Well, let me again.